Hey guys, welcome to Origins Powerlifting. My name is Mike, I'm the owner. We started Origins Powerlifting to help build a community and fill a void in Southern Orange County. Something that was missing is like a fun environment, something that's carefree. You don't have to worry about fitting in, you can be a miscreant, you can be posh, you can be anything you want to be. And there's like no sense of individualism in other gyms, so we openly invite that here, and that's kind of our biggest draw. On top of being like no judgment, we have some of the best machines that you can use, or the best equipment you can use. If anything, we hold ourselves being the best at what we do. We're not trying to be others, we're trying to be Origins Powerlifting. With great power comes great responsibility, aka my superhero's favorite uncle. So I'm the Spider-Man of the family, and I wanted to start something fresh, start something out of my own, help promote people's origins, per se. Commit to be fit. You gotta find your origin story here at Origins Powerlifting.